We're over at the lake today, watching the ducks out in the water. They're walking on water, actually. Who says ducks can't walk on water? Well, folks, you have it here for your own eyes. They're walking on water. Yeah, it's frozen water. But they're walking on water. Who says ducks can't walk on water? Beautiful Thursday afternoon here at the lake. Little overcast. But it's beautiful. The ducks are walking on water. They say ducks can't walk on water. Well, they can. Have a good day, folks. Hit the likes, subscribe, give me a thumbs up. Take care.